So last weekend while I was trail riding, I crashed on a jump and bent my stock handlebars. If you haven't seen that video, link will be in the description, go check that out. But to anyone who has the 2020 KX250, if you don't like the stock bars, I really didn't like the stock Rentals at all. Try out the Pro Taper 1 1/8 Evo. The sweep on it is a little bit lower, and to me it's a lot more comfortable, a little bit nicer. But I've been riding around on the track for the first time with these bars, just a few laps, and they feel light years better to me, in my opinion. The sweep feels a whole lot better, feels a lot more comfortable, so try them out. Pro Taper Evo Fusion, and then I think I got the SX Race Bend, Supercross Race Bend, but yeah, try them out. I'm gonna cut the track real quick. I'm gonna do this section. This is like my favorite section is this double outside of this corner into this like hard inside small rut, or not rut, I guess berm. Better at like berms and ruts, so it's always good to hit things in sections. Like if you want to cut part of the track and redo a section that you want to get nailed down or get faster at, that's the best way to do it. Just go back and do that section over and over again. Mud like somehow in my mouth on some of these sections. Air over that little hump. At least better than I have been. Come way outside. Cut in a little bit. Period. I just downshifted in the air, so that's like a cool skill that obviously everyone should learn if they're going to ride moto. And next, as long as I can get used to using the clutch, I can get used to brake tapping too, which I've never done. I don't know how to do it. Well, I know how to do it in theory, but I've just never done it. of these like super sloppy muddy sections, and this track would be sick right now. This is what gets sketchy. Like, these guys are riding side by sides on the track. Same with dirt bikes. Oh my god. And I get scared to go off the jumps because they're going to have to cut in front of the landing, at least a little bit. So what a small world. If you follow my YouTube channel, you'll know that I used to have a 2014 Suzuki RMZ 250, and here it is. This guy just rolled up with my old bike. I sold it to a guy named Jason back in like October, and apparently he just recently sold it to move up to a 450, realized he wanted a little bit more power. And this guy bought it as like a play bike, play 250, and he says he's probably going to get a 450 also. I just think it's really cool how it ends up, you know, at a track that I ride all the time. It's really neat. Really cool to be able to follow him, get some footage of him. He's just on his first warm-up lap for the day, and I'm like, you know, I gotta keep up with him.